So what did you conclude about audience development and music venues?
At first I thought it was only an issue of the people coming to the venue. At first I thought audiences were only the people who were coming to the concerts. And then while I went through the rest of my case studies, I realized that audiences were also partners and members and, you know, young people coming to do outreach workshops, or all the people who are in relation with an organization are an audience in some way. So once you realize that, audience development becomes so big. And then you realize, the second thing that I understood was that if the people within an organization all understand what we're talking about and what audience development is and how they should go on about it, then it's completely different because everyone can develop their own audience. So that's what I learned. I moved from my first step where I had a very narrow vision to, I think now, some place where I realized that it's a lot more about the organizational culture and how they bring the inside out or the outside in, you know, both ways.